If you get the error information such as Google Play Store error retrieving information from server while trying to download or update apps from the Google Play Store, then let us see how to fix the issue. The first basic thing what you will do is you will restart your device and then relaunch the Play Store again to check if this will fix the issue. Sometimes restarting the phone fixes many of the minor issues. The next thing what we will do is we will open settings, then we will go to apps. Here we will scroll down and we will look for the application Google Play Store. Open this application, tap on storage, select clear cache and also select this option clear data and then OK. Now we will go back, again we will go back and we will also select this option Google Play Services. Again go to storage, select clear cache, select manage storage and then select clear all data. OK. So what we have done here is we have cleared the cache files and data for Google Play Services and Google Play Store. Now again we will go back to this apps screen. Now tap on this three dotted icons here and then select this option show system applications. Now we are looking for an application here called Download Manager. So open this application Download Manager, again go to storage, select clear cache, select clear data and then OK. So we have cleared the cache files and data for Download Manager applications also. Now check if this will fix the issue or not. Now the next thing what you can do is we can also check if there is an update available for Google Play Store installed in our device or not. For that one what I will do is I will go ahead and I will open Google Play Store. Then I will tap on the menu option here. Then I will go to settings. I will scroll down and I will tap on this option Play Store version. For me the Google Play Store is up to date, but for you if there is an update available then the Google Play Store will be updated automatically in the background. Now the other thing what you can do is you can also uninstall the update that you have done for Google Play Store and check if this will fix the issue. For that one we will go to settings, we will go to applications and then what we'll do, we will go ahead and we will look for Google Play Store. Open this application, tap on these three dotted icons and then select uninstall update. So what does this do is this will replace the current version of Google Play Store with the factory version. So select OK. So once you have installed all the update for the Google Play Store, try to download or update app and check if the issue will be fixed. Do all of these things and check if this will fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.